Hey everyone, so these are the stencils which I have just used in one of my projects, and yes, paint सूख गया है. Now how to clean your stencils? Like, this has been asked so many times, and I just thought ki I can do this with you guys. So first of all, what I do is I soak my stencil with lots and lots of water. So इसमें जैसे होता है chalk paints होता है और like modeling paste and so many things. So how to clean your stencils, and of course अगर आपको अपना stencil long last चलाना है, then you have to keep it clean. Now I'll just keep it soak for like few minutes and then we will clean this up. So after few minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my liquid dishwash. So usually मैं ऐसे craft table पे clean नहीं करती हूँ. I do it in my kitchen sink or like somewhere where it is neat, and but of course मैं वहाँ video to shoot नहीं कर सकती. So here what I am doing is I have taken up my stencil brush. Now there are two ways. See, अब मैंने अगर video बनाया है, of course I had used my stencil brush. So this does my brush cleaning also, and then it also like really helps in cleaning my stencil. And do not use anything which is like extremely hard. So don't use your metal scrubs. Like हम Indian घर में we use a lot of metal scrubs for utensil cleaning. Don't use that. If you want to still use it, you can use your the softer part of your utensil cleaner and just scrub it, right? So let me just wipe this out. Can you see how this is like getting clean? So अगर आपको लग रहा है कि water dry हो जा रहा है, this is soaking, add some more water. So I usually keep a spray bottle so that मैं पानी यहाँ वहाँ spill ना कर दूँ. If you don't have a spray bottle, you guys can literally just आप अपने कंटेनर से भी डाल सकते हैं. Now yes, one of the very important things, हम जब भी stencil clean करते हैं, don't clean it just from one side. Clean it from both the sides. Why? Because I'll tell you, because हम जब भी colors use करते हैं, it's a thin sheet, right? Of course it is going to go on the other side. बहुत fine lines होती हैं, you will not even realize it, but then definitely it is there. So clean it from both the sides. That's really important, and it will be done. So this is done, and now quickly I'll show you. Abhi I'm just cleaning this with a clean cloth. So of course I wash this immediately, like off camera I'm going to wash this. I'll like quickly spray my clean water on my stencil, and you can see वो पहले कैसा था and now how does this look. So my color has come out pretty well and my stencil looks neat and clean, right? I'll just clean my table quickly so that I can show you guys that how do I clean my stencils. So yes, मैं इसको of course because I have used a soap here, I am going to like clean this again with a running tap water, but this is how it looks, right? So this is how it looks like after cleaning, and this is how your stencil should be. There should not be any color, any marks or anything. So I really hope that this is going to help you guys. Let me know your queries in the comment section. If you guys have query about any other craft supply, the cleaning, the maintenance or anything, please do let me know, because I know we buy so expensive craft supplies and maintaining them is really important so that they can last long. So I will just to inform you guys, like I have been using this stencil for like more than 6 years now, but you can't even make out कि ये कितनी बार use हुआ है. Why? Because I have been cleaning my craft supplies, my brushes and everything like for like immediately after my videos or my sessions or my work or my project or my orders. Like if you see this stencil brush, I've been using this for like almost 2 years now, right? So yes, you guys need to maintain your supplies, you guys need to clean your supplies on time, and I hope that will help. So yes, I hope you like this, and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.